Well, cue the fire. Get your money out of the banks. You guys are not going to believe what is happening right now. Well, let me show you. So this is happening at Bank of America. You may want to go look at your accounts also to Jacob Lim, one of my former high school students that is very wealthy now. Good job listening.
Bank of America, and everybody's missing money. I'm also missing money, over $1,300, and they're telling me to call customer service. And they keep hanging up on people. This another person here is also missing money. So we're trying to see what's going on. Money's missing today, and we need our money. And they're already telling us to call customer service, and customer service ain't doing nothing about it. So just a heads up, if anybody's experiencing this, please let us know, because this is not right. I'm missing $1,400 from my account. And they're telling me that there's no way they can help us. This guy's missing money too. This other person is missing money too. And you missing money too? There you go. So this is not something that's just one person. This is everybody's happening to them. And this is crazy. This is very crazy. Yes, Bank of America decided to take people's money without their consent. And we're asking what's going on, and they're giving us a runaround. Everybody for the same thing, man. Same thing.
So you might, you already subscribed. You might want to share this video. Just tell your friends. Just watch the beginning. The guy's a clown, like. But look at your account. Also, your friends or whoever you share it with will be totally confused by this next sentence. When you deposit your said digits into the bank or this green sheets of paper that you think are money, number one, this isn't money. Okay, I know the schools told you that sheets of paper with some president, some not, written on it is money. It is not. And the first thing that your bank does with those digits is there's three things. You ready? Number one, it doesn't go into your account. Okay, so just put that aside. Number two, they buy bonds with it. I mean, a 3-month treasury is paying 4.5%. You really think they're going to leave it in there? No, they're going to buy bonds with it. That's one. Or mortgage-backed securities. And that's a great investment going into this housing market. Woo! Which I will show you. Or the third thing is they loan it out, but no one is currently loaning. Actually, the housing market has had the biggest cancellation ever. So cue the fire for the third time. We have retail gone. These are all the things that are gone besides your bank account. We have the housing market gone. We have the stock market gone. We have crypto gone. We have nat gas gone. We have everything going bye-bye. But on this channel, I will teach you how to trade it so you can make money when it goes up. You can make money when it goes down. And looking at the market from yesterday, that would be the red over there. And today, that would be the futures. Opening bright. This is going to be a beautiful trading day. S&P already shaving off 1%. One down. NASDAQ down. Dow down. Everything is down. How's your nat gas? You guys jumping in on that one yet? You're like, I got to get my nat gas. Well, you're also down. You have to wait for confirmation. I mean, you have just went from $7, but there's going to be a timed enter really quick. Hold on. See the red line? When you get one candle above, but you're under the 200. Okay. Enter at your own risk. But under the 200, you get some sweet swings in these bear markets. Also, if you want to take advantage of 70% off on how to do this, look, see each one of those if you're new, because it just got shared to a family member. Okay, each candle is a day. Okay, all you have to do is once it gets a beat down, once it hits that white line up there, a day. Nope, don't enter. You're actually shorting it. That's my bear market course, 70% off if you want to learn how to make money going down. See, I first had to teach people how to make money going up. Now I have to teach them how to make money going down. They're like, wait, it's the same button? It's the same button. And you go, boop, 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 boop. Oh, are you in it yet? Not yet. It's $3.30. So it could go lower. So don't catch falling knives. And also do what the bank does. Look, you can get 4.69%. You call them up and you say, I want a bond. Right? You got to beat them to it. So, your savings account or your checking account that's getting 0 from Bank of America, well, you could be getting almost 5%. Just do what the banksters do. And I'm also trying to help you even if you work here and they fire you. You're like, well, at least I know how to make money in the stock market and trading these things. Just paper trading. That's all I can teach on this channel. I am sorry. B of A reporting. Here it is. Pause hiring ahead of recession. Hey guys, guess what happens in a recession? All right, just to let you know, which I guess we're not in. We'll probably never be in a recession. Full blown depression. It's like, ooh, well, no, we're not. Yes, we are. Bank of America. When this goes down, you make money when Bank of America goes down. You see, your accounts just get bigger and bigger. So now, just to rewind, how I say, hey guys, your money in the banks are not safe. They're not safe. I don't care where. And your money in the banks are not in the banks. So it's already been taken out. It's just it hasn't been by you. It's been them. But it's a banking system globally, everywhere. And oh, by the way, everyone globally thinks that we're going to have a stock market crash. I'll show you in just a second, but I just wanted to speak on this for a second. Here, Genesis. This is everyone's like, well, at least crypto will save us. Well, no, Scotty or Brian, who bought the top at $69,000 and then it goes down to $15,000. I said, it's great. I love it. But I don't know you tell me what the price should be. That would be free market. And I guess free market in the last recession said Bitcoin was going to go to 3,800. That was that last recession that just happened a couple of years ago. Not really a store of value, but I am a fanboy of it. Crypto firm Genesis, dumb, is preparing what? To file for bankruptcy. Oh yeah, when the tide goes out, you get to see that no one is wearing any clothes. So you learn about a thing called a hardware wallet that you take your digital currency and you put it over there so they can't put it to their friends and then pay off politicians and get to do whatever they want. But also, at the top, experts speak. Finding the right balance on crypto at Davos. Let me tell you, the government's coming down on it. If it has a CEO, that would be every single altcoin. It's going to be regulated, okay? So if they have back office that picks up phones, yes, it's regulated. Bitcoin, a little tough. Can't even find who created it. So how are they going to come after them? Which wouldn't that just be a rug pull if we find out that it was the government that created it? I'm a 50-50 on that one because government can only ruin. They can never create anything that is good. But then the other 50 is, rug pull, it's for bad. But now coming in from the next article, which I had just mentioned about how everyone thinks that the global stock markets are going to crash. Stock markets don't crash. It's like throwing a cat out of the top of a tree. It kind of hits all the limbs on the way down. I don't know. It probably they stick to things. I don't know. And what I want you guys to see is what's the unlikely, here, let me zoom in for you because it fits my narrative more gooder. What is the unlikely event that there's going to be a stock market crash? 28%. This is the rest of the world. 25%. So that means most of the world, those are low. Oof. Who's giving us 50-50 on that one? So most of the world thinks that you got a huge percentage on that other side that thinks there's going to be a stock market crash. And I say, well, make money going down. And I spoke about this yesterday, and I just touched on it. The rest of the world, like China's not buying our stuff. They're in decline. Germany's everyone's. It's all rolling. We're all rolling together, not in a good way. Weak U.S. retail sales, factory data weaken. That's like the products that they make for you or that we make for them. They're not buying it, and it's not just that. Let me see if we got some audio on this, just the beginning.
Canary in a coal mine, that canary just choked and fell off its perch because retail sales were pretty bad during the month of December, surprisingly bad.
Okay, now let me just explain, which I skipped over. November and December, these are blockbuster. This is where there's a thing called Christmas, unless they cancel it, that everyone goes out and buys gifts, okay? It went down. And I'll show you right here, going out. Christmas, let's go out, have a good time, let's eat, let's drink. Look, that's a big one. This is all not good. I mean, autos, yeah, okay, I got you. Gasoline, you should have sold the top. Nat gas, right? You sell the top, even though everyone is telling you, Bravo, you don't understand, they're all going to freeze. I'll tell you what, that's what they say. I look at the charts, trade the charts. Actually, nat gas is going to be an amazing swing trade. So start there. Okay, learn how to do that. Link in the description, 70% off. And then hurry up, get into my bear market, because these bear market rips down and rips up or rip your face off. And yesterday, I also, these are why you need to subscribe. So you can, we scaffold. Well, I'm a teacher, so I scaffold. I start you here. That's why I started, even with my courses, how to flip money, how to buy something from someone for $1 and sell it for 20. Okay. Then how to produce it. Okay. And then when you have money, what do? I also have a course on how to make dumb plastic stuff and make money from it. Well, paper trading money, I guess that too. And then you can make it and then sell it, right? And then what do you do with that money? You swing trade it. And then after you're done swing trading, you learn when we're in a bear market and then in options. Like, it's all just scaffolding. But I wanted to show you, yesterday I was talking about the VIX, and I said, once we go down, well, then we go up. And every single time, going all the way back to a long, long time ago, we hit those on the implied volatility. We hit the bottoms. Now, the bottoms, all those red circles that I did, this one I was going to get a little creative with it, but I chose not to because I thought maybe this video could be shared and it needs to be PG. Going all the way back when we are lows, okay, that's the market top. And then the market goes down, which we're starting to do the down part. And then people say, why did the market go down? I said it because it ran into my lines. It's as easy as that. You want to know why a market goes up and down? It's because of Johnny Bravo's lines. I said it's going to hit the white one, get rejected. It got rejected 1, 2, 3, 3 times. The orange line. This is the S&P 500 going all the way back. See that? All the way back from when I started drawing the 2 orange lines, and it's going to come all the way down. And when the shat really hits the fan, that's when all the Fed tightening that they've done goes into effect. That would be here in April. But that's okay because we're going to make money going down. And if you have not taken advantage of any of my pick one, do something to help yourself out to learn about, hey, I put my money in the bank. Where's it at? I didn't say you could loan it out. Yeah, that's just how the whole system is created. Debt just moves around and money's only debt too, which just blows people's minds. And yes, I know silver is money, gold is money. I already know the narrative. That's okay. But thank you guys for hanging out with me. Share the video. Check your bank accounts. And I will see you tomorrow because I work every single day of my life, even though I do not have to.